Continuously monitor for corrosion and erosion in tanks, vessels, and other large applications using Emerson's Rosemount wireless corrosion and erosion transmitters with the magnetic vessel mount. This versatile and compact mounting design makes it easy to receive real-time corrosion and erosion asset health data from your larger assets directly to your control room. Install in minutes by simply placing the transmitter in the measurement location and deploying the magnetic housings to the measurement surface. This quick and easy solution eliminates all the pains of installation, including the need for a process shutdown, and can be moved or retrofitted without any issue. Tanks, vessels, and other large applications have integrity risks too. Unlock corrosion and erosion monitoring on your larger assets to help your operations remain safe and efficient. Learn more about the Rosemount wireless corrosion and erosion transmitters with the magnetic vessel mount and all our monitoring solutions by visiting our website.